Bula Vinaka, and a very good morning. It gives me great pleasure to be here this morning to hand over 1,828 beans to the Labasa and Savusavu Town Council. This is in line with government's commitment to the right of safer and clean environment and waste minimization in the 2013 Constitution. The total cost of this bean is around $38,000, and let me make it very clear, these beans will be distributed to those ratepayers who are paying town rates and who has got an arrangement with municipal councils to pay rates. These beans are for the benefit of the ratepayers and to ensure that rubbish is collected properly. 1,468 beans will be distributed to Labasa and 350 beans to the Savusavu Town Council. Proper disposal of rubbish and waste management is a significant management process that is critical in any municipality, and there shall be no exception. The donation of the garbage beans to the Labasa and Savusavu Town Council will therefore greatly assist in the overall waste disposal management for the two towns. I am certain that the beans will be put to very good use in the upkeep of Labasa and Savusavu Town. With these few words, I thank you all for being part of this event, and I call upon the Special Administrator of Labasa to say a few words before I present these beans to you.
I'm indeed honored to receive the beans on behalf of the government. I think it's a great initiative taken by the Ministry of Local Government to see that two towns like Labasa and Savusavu are helped in this instance. We are also very grateful for the Minister for initiating this idea of giving the beans to Labasa and Savusavu, as we are now fighting very hard to see the town is kept clean. And we are also seeing that we enter into 3R project and we enter into waste minimization project. And this initiative here today will help us improve our performance. And I think Savusavu needs this at this stage very much. Probably we are a tourist town, and the impact these beans are going to make is beyond the livelihood of everybody's every resident that lives in Savusavu, because we are trying to see that the attracts tourists at this stage, and hoteliers are very much in support of keeping the town clean and tidy. And in Labasa's case, I know that we have issues like garbage collection. We have it's a cane belt area, so we have a lot of trouble sometimes collecting waste and controlling waste. But nevertheless, these beans are for home use. But we are going to see that the residents use it at homes only and not for other purpose. And as alluded to by the Honourable Minister, we are going to see and follow a just and fair way to all the ratepayers. So we are going to look at ratepayers who have paid rate first. Some have paid already. We are going to look into the records and go into detail to see how many have paid the rates. Those who have paid the rates and those who have made the arrangement to pay the rates, they will qualify to receive the beans. On that note, I would like to thank the Honourable Minister, the Ministry, for taking this keen interest to support Savusavu and Labasa. Thank you very much.